will go to our room, I guess. Hello guys, today we will be check the Delano King Suite. Elegant and sleek. Guys, we're gonna put this again. Okay, so it will open, I guess. Yes, 725 square foot incorporates Delano's iconic window shears, crisp white linen, and oversized headboards to create a haven of dessert fare. Separated living area with seating for 5. Full closet armor. 1 full bath and half bath. Samsung 46 inches TV in the bedroom, 55 inches in the living room. Wi-Fi available. Side stereo system with charging outlet. Fully stocked mini bar. Don't open this fridge when you're on the mandala because if you touch anything, you need to bed. And that's bad. Yeah.
He's watching.
We're looking at a Legends Stadium.
Oh.